Yo, I'm 𝐾𝐞𝐬𝐜 over here, and today 𝐦𝐵 is super excited because I get to show you this. Check this out. Woohoo! Evo 9! Walao eh! Look at this! This is a JDM classic. Oh, really? I got so excited, I totally forgot what I was supposed to say. But never mind. We're gonna go inside and I'll tell you more about this car. All right. Firstly, look at all these clusters. We serve the secondary purpose of telling you everything about the car you need to know, and primary purpose of looking so freaking cool. Now, let's fire it up.
Video recording is starting. Please drive safely.
Yo, now I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about this particular unit. First things first, this is Mitsubishi Evolution 9 RS2. What's the difference between RS and RS2? Well, RS2 spec comes with upgraded brake kit, power windows, and aircon. I mean, this car is for hardcore enthusiasts, but no matter how hardcore you are, nobody is no aircon in Singapore hardcore. Trust me on that. Every day also very hot, we all know, right? So, additionally, this particular unit has been taken care of by a single owner for the past 9 years. There are so many mods here, I'm not even going to begin to list them. But if you look up here, you will see. Also, this comes with freshly rewrapped bride seats and groom seats. Very cute, right? This particular unit still left 3 years and 8 months on its COE. So this is one of the last chances for you to be part of JDM history, to keep this unit for yourself. So, one last thing before we finish the video, stay tuned. And as promised, one last thing, fire it up! Thank you! Whew, eargasm. So, what do you guys think? Call me, 𝐦𝐵 give you a good deal.